Fine girl, where are you going?
I want to buy something.
Hey, want to buy something? Come on, take biscuit now before you buy something.
My mother will beat me.
Your mommy will not beat you. Come on, take biscuit and enjoy. Come on, enjoy yourself tactically. Your mother is not here. Don't worry, nobody's looking at you. Yeah, just sit down and enjoy it.
Give me the name of God. Please let me go.
Ah, we should let you go.
Yes.
Do you know what? Me, I'm very tasty. Do you know what? Help us to buy pure water first. It's in front. Do you understand? Do you have any money there with you?
Yeah, I have some.
Give me. Take. Help us to buy pure water. It's in front. Go and come back. Oh. I'm very tasty. Or would you drink pure water?
Of course I will drink.
Let her go and come back.
This guy number is not going through.
His number is not going through. WhatsApp him.
I should WhatsApp him now. Where is this girl?
She want to buy pure water for us, or would you drink pure water?
Hey! Efizi, somebody you have risked your life to bring to this place. You will just send her pure water.
School Petenya. I don't know what I was doing.
You have never known what you have been doing. Do things in a tactical manner. You see how we tactically remove her from that side.
We'll get on that product and she will come back also.
Who have that time? Is this how you want to buy things? Hey. Yeah.
Hello.
Okay.
You are looking so beautiful.
Thank you.
If you were to be a mango, they will not even wash you before they eat you.
So, what exactly do you want?
I just want our conversation to continue like this.
Anyway, I don't have time for this rubbish, okay? Excuse me. No, sir.
School Petenya. I'm talking to you, I was running away.
If you touch me again, you will regret it.
No problem. Do that now with your family. You slap me.
Yes, and I will do it again.
Another pull it for me. No. Hold this thing for me. Wait. I say, let me download that back. Let me download that rough back. Leave me alone. Where's the person I was even looking for?
Come on, fight. Let me even call Sergeant.
School Petenya.
Rubbish.
Don't worry, don't call anybody. I know what to do at the right time.
Nonsense. See him. Rubbish.
Please.
Authentic rubbish.